Well, hi, everyone. This is Ray Owens. I work with the Infinity Group. Wanted to talk with you guys about manufacturing in Pakistan. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people on the platform today do source products and garments from Pakistan. It's become this major hub for manufacturing high quality clothing brands and garments for just about any company that you could think of that's a major player within the fashion industry. Simply because it has lower production costs than countries like China, India, Bangladesh, while still offering very high quality garments due to its skilled workers and quality fabrics. Pakistan has actually become the second best uh, provider of quality cotton in the world. Their cotton is second best in the globe. So, of course, you would like to go there to source your products, your garments, because, again, you don't compromise on quality while getting things produced at a reduced price. So you have the best of both opportunities to reduce price and, of course, improve quality for your clothing. And that's not something to take lightly. I mean, that's, in fact, a real reason to get there. So just wanted to let you guys know about Pakistan. It's always an option. As a matter of fact, Pakistan um, is heavily reliant on manufacturing to keep the country afloat. So they have to make sure that they have good quality there. As a matter of fact, exports of textiles for Pakistan, it accounts for about 57% of the total exports from the country. So manufacturing in Pakistan has become rather popular amongst brands like Nike, Sears, Old Navy. Of course, the list goes on. And so we recently opened an office. It's been about 7 months in the making through the Infinity Group, a large holdings company that covers the entire spectrum of supply chain. So what we have done in Pakistan is we've gone directly to some of the major carriers for ocean freight. We've negotiated contracts, and we have really good rates that we can offer to customers, whether it be under a contract or even the spot rates. We have killer rates for ocean freight, whether it be a 20-foot container, 40-foot container, less than a container load. We have all the options set for you. And not only just ocean freight, but we've negotiated and actually have charter flights with a lot of the major airline carriers out, cargo airline carriers out of Pakistan. So those rates are really good as well. And we don't compromise on service or transit times. Also wanted to talk to you guys about other ways we can help you with the supply chain, not just with freight, because we do offer customs clearance. We actually have a customs brokerage company that's a part of the Hogan's Group. So we can offer you annual bonds. We can help you get the tax codes right as you import. And of course, a penny saved is a penny earned, right? If you get the tax codes correct, and make sure that you reduce down your costs for duties and taxes as you import, which is a major thing to take a look at. Also, we have domestic trucking. So once the cargo clears customs, it's going to need that in-country transport or over-the-road transport service. We have a trucking division. It's called Universal Trucking. Universal Trucking is an asset-based company. So we have drivers on staff. We have trucks. And as a matter of fact, we just made a large investment in more chassis because of the chassis shortage in the market. So we have about 20 drivers on staff here in Southern California to help support transport of drayage from Long Beach, Los Angeles. And then as we look to the right coast or New York, New Jersey, we actually have 30 drivers there on staff, fully staffed with trucks and, of course, newly purchased chassis to support the demand. So we have capacity. And then as far as LTL, 4 truckloads across the nation, we've put together a pretty good partnership or network of partners to source rates and to source rates from some of the major carriers that do not compromise on quality. So the pricing is very good because we have volume-based pricing that we've negotiated, and we've stitched together this entire network around domestic transportation. As far as warehouse services are concerned, yeah, we do offer it. And as you know, a lot of companies are full now simply because the market is soft. Even the big box retailers are taking a step back from importing and also holding off on calling the goods in to the retail locations until they get out the current inventory. So, yeah, things are tight from a warehouse standpoint, but we still have space. We have space in Southern California near the ports of Long Beach, Los Angeles, for short-term, quick cross-dock transloading services, B2B. And then also we have a facility to accommodate long-term storage and direct-to-consumer e-commerce business across all the major platforms. And as a matter of fact, the same thing is set up in New York, New Jersey, where this model that we've put together works. Two separate warehouse facilities, one that's dedicated to B2B, cross-dock transloading, big box retail stuff, and then the other warehouse that is dedicated to direct-to-consumer e-commerce fulfillment. And if you're actually, and we know that not every company is ready for fulfillment outsourcing. So what we have also done is we've put together some pretty good rate cards, discounted rate cards that we can give you access to, discounts USPS, UPS, just to name two of the major carriers where we have very attractive rates with for you guys to help you capture more profit margin as you sell direct to consumer. The other thing I wanted to point out is that the group, and I think there are select few companies that do this, that know this, but when you start talking about bringing products in directly from China and just bypassing storage space and doing fulfillment here in the U.S. at all, and just in fact just handling the fulfillment from China into the U.S. and inducting your parcels into a USPS network, whether it be here on the West Coast or actually out on the East Coast. But there's a global direct entry program with USPS that will allow you to do just that. And then the clearance, the customs clearance, Type 86 clearance that they have in place is really structured to fuel companies for growth around e-commerce because you get a break on the duties. So we've stitched together all this, a comprehensive solution, and we know what we're doing. I mean, we all have experts. We have experts across every company that we have. The 5 companies that we have within the group has years and years of expertise, years. So I would like an opportunity to work with you. It doesn't matter the size of your company. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to serve. And I promise to take a pragmatic approach that offers transparency and visibility and, of course, a consistent form of customer service with a very, very high response rate. Ray Owens here with the group. We'd love to connect with you here on the platform. And if need be, you can certainly call me direct or shoot me a quick text message. My cell phone is 424-384-3116. Again, 424-384-3116. Take care.